Hey guys, this is Will from CryptoFromBet.com. Today guys, another great review for you guys. I'll be looking into cryptocurrency, Bitcoin Cash against the US dollar, and of course the Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin Cash against the US dollar. As you guys know, we have a massive bullish breakout of Bitcoin Cash against the US dollar starting from November when the other hard fork being cancelled, although that hard fork has already occurred, commonly known now as B2X. Nevertheless, price has remained intact in this bullish structure to the point where price in fact has managed to set a new high of 4,100 against the US dollar. But since then, since entering January, price has been in a bearish market since then. And of course, if you guys know, a lot of altcoins also had massive increases in entering into December. But since then, we see here that price has managed to break through this key support here. We see massive volatility occurring evident here, and of course price trying to test through this key support, but of course fails. And since then we of course see a new structure or trend occurring, and of course that structure is a bearish channel occurring, and we see that price has respected this bearish channel so far. But of course the few things I'd like to point out is the fact that 2 days ago price tested key support trading as low as $750, guys. I believe that's a loss of about 80% if I'm not wrong. Yeah, that's right. From its all-time high, a decrease of 80%, guys. Now price, after testing key support, price had, of course, you see somewhat of an arc structure occurring with then a quick move to the upside. Now price is trading just under key resistance, as you guys can see here. And of course, I like to mention or to look for a potential bullish breakout to this price here, 1,500. Before I go on to look at Bitcoin Cash against the Bitcoin, there's also another scenario that's also entirely possible. It's the fact that price would fall back down to test key support again. Now, if you look at this bearish channel, this is quite a unique channel because it's extremely steep. So another test key support for this channel would mean price would probably have to fall below 750. Whether or not this will occur, we'll have to see. Right now, price is shooting very high, evident by the volume. You see a lot of buying occurring right now. So to me, this seems like a very bullish signal right now, and that could obviously, well, that will obviously be confirmed by a bullish breakout, in which we could potentially see price moving up to 1,500 against the US dollar. Now, looking at Bitcoin Cash against the Bitcoin, we see here also this bullish breakout from this structure starting in November, and since then price has remained in this bullish structure, or this ratio has remained in this bullish structure since its initial bullish breakout in November. And since then price has respected key support and key resistance pretty well. We see here 1, 2, 3 key support, and also a few times here at key resistance. Of course, the most interesting I like to point out is the fact that price has tested key support 2 days ago, corresponding with Bitcoin Cash all-time low of 750 against the US dollar this year. And of course, we're seeing here price is shooting right now in this ratio. We see here that Bitcoin Cash is gaining at about just under 30% against the Bitcoin. And Bitcoin itself is also moving back up, now trading at, I believe, 8.3K. So Bitcoin Cash is gaining massively right now, and of course our bigger trend, our bigger picture is the fact that price could move all the way back up to this key resistance here, and that of course would be a massive gain, guys. We're talking at least 100%, maybe 120, 150% against the Bitcoin, and that's massive gain, guys, if you think about it, because assuming that Bitcoin also rise, that is of course will be a great trade if price does manage to move to this key resistance here. But of course, for price to move back up to this key resistance here, for me, that would probably take days, weeks, maybe months. And of course, it's also entirely possible for price to move back down to test this key support again, or perhaps a bearish breakout to the downside is also entirely possible. But nevertheless, I remain pretty much optimistic on Bitcoin Cash right now, and I do think in the long term, price will definitely move back up to this key resistance here. And of course, right now we're seeing a quick spike, we see a lot of spikes going on right now here. Price is moving up massively, guys, in this ratio. Although volume is still relatively low, I do expect that as price and continue to increase, we'll see increase in volume and potentially continue to move to the upside. Anyway guys, if you guys do find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe for more analysis video. And before I end this video, I do like to point out the fact that price is very near key resistance, and of course if a bullish breakout does confirm, I'll definitely have an update video on that for those of you guys who are trading or holding Bitcoin Cash.